We are in lesson 3, working on our first skill, printing with Backstage. And now we will perform the second skill task, which is print selected worksheets. Let's go to Excel, and for this skill task, we will open a file from the Backstage. Click Open, go to Folder, go to your student data files, and for this skill task, you will open this file 03 Contours of Portlet Departments. Click on this file. You have this file open with you, and now you can see that this file has 3 different worksheets available. One is for HR, and this cell C1 shows the department. Operations, you can see here, and this is for finance. Now use Control plus P on your keyboard to go to your Backstage with print options. So I press Control plus P, and with this key combination I go to the Backstage print tab. Here you can see that only since the default selection is print active sheet, our active sheet is for HR, so I have only one page selected, and other pages which are for operations and finance, they are not shown in the print preview. There is only one page. Let's press Escape on your keyboard to go back to your document, and now we will select all the sheets that we want to print, and then we will go back to the print options again. Press Control, and by keeping the Control key pressed, click on the other worksheets. Click on Operations, it will also be selected along with HR, and also click on Finance. So now we have selected 3 worksheets: HR, Operations and Finance. Now on your keyboard, use the key combination Control plus P to go to Backstage with Print tab, and now you can notice that we have 3 pages available here. The first page is for HR. If I go to the second page, this is for Operations, as you can see here. The third page is for Finance. So by selecting worksheets, if you have many worksheets, you only want to print 2 or 3 out of them, you can use the Control key on your keyboard and select the worksheets that you want to print, and your print options will show only those pages which you want to print. You can return to the workbook and close this file without saving, and you can keep the Excel application open for your next exercise. Thank you.